In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Mailbox on Yahoo. First, open your preferred web browser and head to yahoo.com. In the upper right corner of the Yahoo homepage, look for the Sign In button and click it. Follow the on-screen prompts to sign in to your Yahoo account. You may be asked to verify your identity depending on your security settings. If you run into any delay, give it a moment. Sometimes the sign-in page needs a few seconds to load completely. Once you are signed in, select Mail at the top right to open Yahoo Mail. Inside Yahoo Mail, locate the settings icon, which looks like a gear in the upper right area. Click it, then choose More Settings to open the full settings panel. On the left-hand menu, select Mailboxes. This is where you can manage existing accounts and add new ones. Next, click Add Mailbox. You'll see several provider options. Choose Google to connect a Gmail account. When prompted, type your Gmail address and click Next. This prepares Yahoo to securely link to Google so your messages can sync into Yahoo Mail. A Google sign-in window will open. Click Sign In with Google. Then select the Google account you want to connect. If you're already signed into multiple Google accounts in your browser, pick the correct one, click Continue to proceed. You'll be shown a permissions screen that explains what Yahoo will be able to access so it can fetch mail and keep everything in sync. If you want the full experience, use the Select All option, then click Continue. If you don't see the Google window, check your browser's pop-up blocker and allow pop-ups for this step. After permissions are granted, you'll return to Yahoo Mail. Click Done to finish. Yahoo will start syncing your Gmail in the background. Depending on how many messages you have, the first sync can take a little while, so don't worry if everything doesn't appear instantly. From here, your added mailbox will show under Mailboxes and Settings, and you'll see its folders in your Yahoo Mail sidebar. You can read, search, and compose using that address directly from Yahoo Mail. If needed, you can come back to the Mailboxes section to adjust settings or remove the connection later. Keep in mind that school or work Google accounts might require administrator permission to connect. Also, if you use two-step verification on your Google account, you may be asked for an authentication code during the process. That's it. Your Gmail is now added to Yahoo.